What's up everybody, and welcome back to The Golden Life. And in today's video, I am bringing you along for my morning cleaning routine. Now on a typical day, this is right after breakfast. Maybe we've ate and kind of just sat around, played a few games, and then we kind of need to start our day. So that is just kind of what you'll be seeing here today. This is after all of the fun stuff is done and mommy has to get to work. So if you like these types of videos, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into today's video. Now that everything is picked up off the floor, I'm going to go ahead and start dusting. I definitely have been putting off dusting and cleaning the babies' activity centers. I don't know, I just been kind of lazy lately, but I'm going to tackle that today. My youngest son, he actually ended up drawing on her rocker, and I was just like, what? And I was just like, you know what, I'll get to it when I can get to it. So today I'm getting to it, and then I'm going to go ahead and dust off the credenza because that thing collects a lot of dust, and I'm not even sure why, because it's not like we spend a lot of our time outside, but our house does get very dusty. Now that we are done with the living room, I'm going to go ahead and do the dishes. I know for me, every time I make a meal, even if it's something as simple as a smoothie or even like a sandwich, I do have a big family, so one meal can turn the whole house upside down in the kitchen. Let me know down in the comments, am I just in my mind about that, or do you guys feel the same way? now that the dishes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe those counters off because I know when it's the next time to come back in the kitchen, I definitely don't want to be cleaning before I cook. And I definitely cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. That is one thing about me you will not catch me doing. My husband always says, oh, just, move everything to the side and use what you have to use. And I'm like, ew, no, we are not going to be lazy here, especially with my food. Okay, so I did not end up mopping this day, but I definitely had to sweep. I am in the stage right now where I'm probably sweeping maybe 2 times a day, and of course, if there's a really big mess, I will definitely sweep that up. But I'm saying that because I do have a 6-month-old, and she is starting to roll everywhere and scoot everywhere, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, in a matter of a month, probably, mark my words, probably a month, if that, she will be crawling and having lots of stuff in her, be putting it in her mouth and everything. So I have to make sure I am preparing my mind for it, because I'm definitely going to have to be a lot more cleaner. Even though I know you guys are probably like, your house is clean, but dust and dirt, and we don't wear our shoes in the house, but still, it's just it's the ground. So I try to keep it as clean as possible. All right, you guys, so that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and make sure you like this video as well. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite part, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.